Hey, I'm Pankaj Sharma. Welcome back. Today, I'm breaking down a concept that every project manager needs to master: organizational process assets. Yeah, it sounds a little dry, but trust me, this is the secret sauce behind successful projects. So, what exactly are OPAs? In simple terms, they're everything your organization has built up over time: templates, guidelines, historical data, and those tiny nuggets of wisdom that make your life easier. I like to think of OPAs in two big buckets. First, there's all the process stuff: templates, checklists, and step-by-step guides. Imagine having a ready-to-use project charter template or a risk assessment form. No need to reinvent the wheel every time. Second, there's the organizational memory lessons learned, past project files, and those all-important what went wrong stories. This is pure gold. You can dodge repeat mistakes and build on what actually works. Let's be real, every project manager wants faster delivery, fewer errors, and less chaos. OPAs are your shortcut to that. By tapping into what's already there, you don't waste hours hunting for info or making preventable missteps. Let me give you a quick example. Suppose you're kicking off a new software project. Instead of starting from scratch, you grab your company's project charter template. The format's set, you know exactly what info goes where, and approvals are clear, done in half the time, and nothing critical slips through the cracks. Now here's a cautionary tale. I saw a team ignore their organization's historical project data. They didn't check what went wrong last time. Result: communication breakdowns, missed deadlines, and a whole lot of finger pointing. If they just checked the OPAs, they could have sidestepped those issues completely. So, how can you start using OPAs right now? First, find out what assets you already have: templates, reports, best practices. Next, adapt them to fit your project's needs. Don't be afraid to tweak, and most importantly, keep the cycle going. Share your own lessons learned so future teams benefit too. To wrap up, OPAs are your best friend for smarter, faster, and less risky projects. Next time you start something new, check what your organization already knows. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical project management tips. Got questions? Drop them below. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.